This is going to be my first get ready with me and I'm pretty excited. Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So I have been wanting to do this get ready with me for quite a long time now. I was going out with my family for dinner, so I thought why not get ready with you guys. So yeah, let's do our makeup together and let's get started. So पहले हम सारे बाल अपने पीछे कर लेंगे क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मेरे बाल बहुत ऑयली हो रखे हैं. And yeah, the first and foremost thing is a moisturizer. आज मैं ये Bioderma यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Taking this much, we are going to apply it all over our face. अंडर आइज पे भी अच्छे से अप्लाई करना है. You can also apply it on your neck. Yeah, you can see how moisturized my skin feels. अगला step is going to be a foundation. आज के लिए we are going to keep it very simple. I am taking a Forever 52 foundation in the shade Cheesecake and इसको हम थोड़ा सा लेंगे पैलेट पे, just one pump. Then I am mixing it with a Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. This is in the shade 2.5 and just mixing this much foundation I took and इसके साथ थोड़ा सा हम Hollywood filter mix करेंगे. Taking this foundation brush this is again from Forever 52. This is the angled foundation brush. And इसको हम sections में apply करेंगे. If you like that technique is also good. अगर आप dot dot लगाते हो पूरे face पे blend करते हो, that's also good. But कभी कभी उससे patches form हो जाते हैं face पे. So I would suggest कि आप ऐसे foundation थोड़ा सा लें, buff it out, and then part करके अपना face cover करें. Section wise section. Like this. If you cover your face in sections, तो कोई भी part आपका नहीं छूटेगा and your foundation will look flawless. So I am going to apply this foundation on my whole face. To do something very natural for today, इसलिए I didn't apply any color corrector. I'm just going in with the foundation and a very light layer of foundation. I have taken a little more foundation. Yeah, and you can see how flawless it's looking. Don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. Now going in with the concealer, I am using this Tarte concealer in the shade light medium and हम ये बहुत कम quantity में use करेंगे. Just here, just this much. You can see. Tarte की concealer की काफ़ी ज़्यादा coverage है, so you actually don't need much. You can see. इतना सा ही मेरे पूरे अंडर आइज को ब्राइटन अप कर देगा. Look. Cover your eyelids as well. And this part of your nose. Now I am going in with a blush. This is a Mars blush. बहुत ही थोड़ा यूज़ करेंगे क्योंकि काफ़ी पिगमेंटेड है ये, बस इतना ठीक है. अगर और चाहिए होगा तो ज़्यादा ही हो गया, आई थिंक सो. अगर और चाहिए होगा तो हम और ले लेंगे, बट पहले बहुत ज़्यादा अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज अगर हम कम प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करें तो उसको ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, बट ज़्यादा को कम करना इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट. और मुझे लगता है मुझसे वो गलती हो गई है, मैंने शायद ज़्यादा कर लिया, बट इट्स ओके. आई कवर इट अप. एंड वैसे भी आई लाइक दैट सन किस्ड लुक, सो या इट्स फाइन. Blush blindness is real, you guys. Look at that. Now using a beauty blender, we'll blend everything up and don't drag, just blend, just the tapping motions. This is to blend everything out अच्छे से and also to remove excess product. हम इसको अच्छे से full face पे blend कर लेंगे. can see how beautiful it's looking. We are going to set our face lightly. For setting, I'm using this RCMA powder. Lightly setting my under eyes and my whole face. इसको भी just tap tap and do not drag. Tap tap करके full face पूरा set करना अच्छे से. Even your eyes. So मैंने lightly set किया, ज़्यादा set नहीं किया because I want that glow to peek through. You can see. Using a bronzer to create dimension on my face. I'm using this Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And I am going to lightly create a dimension on my face. With bronzer, we work in three, like this part, and this part. So it's a 3. Again, a 3. Basically this. This is basically your bronzer placement, this and this. From your this starting of the ear to your lips. बस ऊपर ऊपर लगाना है, नीचे नहीं करना. अगर आप नीचे जाओगे तो आपका फेस ड्रूपी लगेगा, ऐसे आपका फेस लिफ्टेड लगेगा. Now taking this Dior highlighter, taking this shade, I am just going to, with my hands only, create dimension on my eyes like this. You can see. You don't need any brushes for this. Just take it. And ये आपकी crease line है, उसके नीचे नीचे आपने लगाना है and just simply blend so that वो ऐसे ना लगे बिल्कुल harsh line create हो रही है. This is what you're gonna do and look at this. This looks so good. You can do this for any occasion. Like अगर आपका कोई function भी है even, तब भी आप ये look try कर सकते हैं. It looks really nice. Look at that. Under eyes के लिए आपको थोड़ा ये brush use करना पड़ेगा. Just taking lightly and going under the waterline like this. Look how it creates that soft look. Look at this side and look at this side. These small details काफ़ी फ़र्क डालती है आपके whole makeup game में. Just slightly under the eyes. When mascara लग जाएगा तो ये बहुत सुंदर लगने वाला है. The shine in this, oh my god. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but इसकी shine बहुत ही सुंदर है. Now we are going in with our blush. So this is again by K Beauty and it's in the shade Coral Charm. So blush is going to be a transition between bronzer and concealer. वैसे जिसका face round होता है, they apply it this way, like in this V shape kind of way, but I personally like blush very much, so I apply it in W shape. It gives that very sun-kissed kind of look and that I love. So applying this on the apple of my cheeks and taking it up till my temples. Little bit on the nose. Little bit here. And yeah. The blush is all done and the base is looking so flawless right now. For brows, I don't do anything. I just brush them out. क्योंकि already मेरे काफ़ी thick brows हैं. तो अगर मैं इसको line out करूँ तो वो अलग से stand out होते हैं, which I don't like. So I don't do anything on my brows. Just brushing them out. And just that's it. Going in with a mascara, I am first going to curl my lashes and yeah, uske baad I'm going to apply mascara. Curling your lashes, by the way, makes a huge difference. Look at that. ध्यान से करना. Wow. Using this mascara from Mars. I have been loving this mascara recently. Oh wow. Now you know how much lash curler makes a difference. On my lower lash as well. So this was the length side. Yeah, it's the length side. I'm not going to use the volume side क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है इतने पे ही काफ़ी है. So yeah, it looks pretty well. Now we are going to do our lips. मुझे lips में ज़्यादा dark shades मेरे पे सूट भी नहीं करते और मुझे personally ज़्यादा अपने ऊपर पसंद भी नहीं है. So we are going to keep it very nude, just lining them out. Using this lipstick from Maniram Balwantrai, and this is in the shade Madrid, and just a little bit here and here again. ज़्यादा डार्क हो गया. This is too dark for me. वैसे ही शेड बहुत प्यारा है but for me personally मुझे डार्क लग रहा है. I am removing this completely and then just going in with this lip gloss. It's in the shade Whisper Pink. This is from ELF. Applying setting spray. A little highlighter. ऑलराइट सो मैंने काफ़ी कम हाइलाइटर लगाया बट इफ़ यू हैव गॉट ड्राई स्किन और अगर आपको लाइक बहुत ग्लोई मेकअप पसंद है तो यू कैन गो इन विद द हाइलाइटर बट मैंने आई हैव अप्लाइड हाइड्रेटिंग स्प्रे रादर देन लाइक सेटिंग्स लाइक हाइलाइटर बिकॉज मुझे ज़्यादा ग्लो नहीं पसंद. मेरा फेस बहुत ऑयली है तो इवेंचुअली थोड़ी देर बाद अपने आप ही ऑयल पीक थ्रू होना शुरू हो जाता है और अगर मैं हाइलाइटर भी लगाऊँ तो वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही लगना शुरू हो जाता है. सो आई स्किप ऑन हाइलाइटर्स और यूजुअली आई अप्लाई वेरी लेस बट यू कैन टोटली गो फॉर इट एंड yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Also, if you have got any questions, please write it in the comments down below and I'll answer to each every one of you. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. It would honestly mean a lot to me and thank you guys for watching. Ta-da!